Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Wow, this definitely has emotional value. It really gives you that pocket-sized Hasselblad feeling. Everyone, take a look at this telephoto lens. That's what you call a telephoto cannon. All right, friends, let's get a sneak peek at the unreleased OPPO Find X9 Ultra. As you can see, their packaging has become more square. I think that makes it look more luxurious. But brothers, we have an even more prestigious OPPO Find X9 Ultra Hasselblad Earth Explorer Master Set. How prestigious? I'll cover the name, but doesn't it feel like we're unboxing a Hasselblad camera? The little orange Hasselblad dot?
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. Now let's dive into the unboxing.
Oh, I don't even know what's inside yet. There's another layer of OPPO Hasselblad. There's something inside, brothers. Wow, everyone recognizes this photo, right? We think it needs special mention. It's called the Blue Marble, taken on the moon with a Hasselblad camera. It's extremely collectible. Notice this, it has a unique code. We recognize number 34. It's used to prove the uniqueness of your Hasselblad Earth Explorer Master Set. OPPO even provided a special device for you to display it on your bookshelf. And here's the phone itself. This should be a teleconverter. Wow, this is huge. Hasselblad's little dot lens. This is the first time I've seen such a large teleconverter. This is a real telephoto lens, folks. Hasselblad logo, 300 millimeters. Isn't that the orange circle on that lens? Look, even the lens cap has the Hasselblad logo. There's also a lens hood here with the Hasselblad logo on it. We just twist it, poof, it's snapped in. It's so tight. This is the second box. The accessories inside. The first one is for attaching the teleconverter. There's a lens decorative ring here. Doesn't it look like the surface of a Hasselblad lens? It looks so professional. This is for attaching a tripod, since the teleconverter is large enough. There's also a filter adapter ring here. It can be directly mounted on a tripod. A dedicated instruction manual. What does professional mean? It means making it easy for ordinary people to use and input. This should be a phone case for attaching the teleconverter. Oh, folks, doesn't this look like a Hasselblad X2D, the Earth Explorer version? The colors are the same, and the grip and the phone case are integrated. Hasselblad orange shutter button. This is a dial. The back features a two-tone leather design. Looking at the last two boxes from the OPPO Hasselblad set. Oh, I have to give this one a shout out. Do you know what it is? A lens storage bag. As an ordinary user, I desperately need this. The last box? This should be a shoulder strap. Wow, has anyone bought a Hasselblad before? How much does this shoulder strap cost? As you can see, that's all the stuff in the OPPO Find X9 Ultra Hasselblad Geodesic Master Set, except for the phone. Now let's open the phone packaging. I like this strip. It inexplicably feels expensive, you know? There's a small card on it. We need to give it a close-up. Optics Supreme, Pocket Hasselblad. Finally, we can see the Find X9 Ultra itself. Oh, I can already see the color from above. As you can see, every set's color scheme is geodesic. You heard right, it's the same as the Hasselblad X2D Geodesic Limited Editions color scheme, that black tone with a touch of toughness. Wow, how to describe this? 2 words, professional. The back panel uses a combination of vegan leather and metal. This side has the OPPO logo, and this side has the full Hasselblad English logo. The lens module is also incredibly professional, featuring a centrally symmetrical master's eye design. Inside is the Hasselblad 5-camera system, 2 dual-lens setups, a second-generation single-lens quad-color reproduction lens, and a Hasselblad 10x optical zoom telephoto lens. You can understand why the zoom lens is so large. It already includes one. Moving to the side of the phone, the metal frame features the Hasselblad orange shutter button, and the lens module itself has the iconic Hasselblad orange scale ring. The lens module itself is particularly interesting. You can see a volcano-like crater on the first layer, then the orange scale ring, and above that, a high-precision CAC engraving process replicating the classic Hasselblad gear pattern. At the very top is a hexagonal lens protective glass. So, even with 5 cameras, the lens module protrudes very little. The front of the phone is a flat screen in Indonesian color. As mentioned on the X9s Pro, the highly efficient lock screen guide is also on the X9s Pro. See the beautiful transition animation? It's incredibly smooth and seamless. Finally, let's assemble the OPPO Pocket Hasselblad together. Just as we were about to assemble it, we noticed a small detail. Look inside the box. It says, "For the version with the base plate, please remove this lining." If it's with another version, you don't need to remove it, because the thickness of these 2 versions is different. OPPO is really meticulous. We screwed on the lens decorative ring, and I declare this my Pocket Hasselblad. Regarding this teleconverter, we'd like to add 3 points. First, its build quality is truly excellent. Every mount is very tight, which is crucial for anyone who has used teleconverters. The included accessories allow you to attach it to various camera brackets, which is quite impressive. Second, besides practicality, I think OPPO is focused on its decorative aspect this time. Look, with this shoulder strap, carrying it on my body, it really looks like a fashion item. Naturally, the third is the telephoto image quality. This is still a secret. We'll share more details after its release. That concludes all the information about the OPPO Find X9 Ultra's appearance. After reading this, do you feel that this OPPO Ultra isn't quite Ultra anymore? And this is just first impression video. I'll upload a detailed review after official launch on 21st of April. So if you're interested, subscribe to our channel and join our tech team. See you in the next video. Goodbye.